How to log out of your Taobao account. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to easily do that. First thing you have to do is make sure you have the app and you are logged into it. So let me just quickly go ahead and open up the application. Now, as you can see here at the bottom right, I am already logged into my account. So this is my account ID. Now, in order to log out, all you have to do is find the profile icon at the bottom right corner. And once you are here, all you need to do is find the gear icon at the top right of your screen. Now on this page, you can find different options like your wish list, following history, and vouchers. But in order to log out, you need to find the gear icon. Then at the bottom of your screen, you have an option to switch account or log out. That's completely up to you. Now, if you want to switch account and log into multiple accounts, you can tap here. But if you want to completely log out of this one, tap on log out and then tap on log out again. And it will completely log you out of your account. That's basically it, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful and I'll catch you guys on the next one.